YouTube channel. It's your girl Savvy. Today on my YouTube channel, what I want to do is to take my DJI Spark out for a fly. I'm going to go over the South Florida beaches near my house and kind of just show what the beaches look like without having so many tourists and so many people visiting the beach. Just because COVID-19 is going on right now, and I know it sucks being quarantined for some of you who are quarantined, but I think this is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to go to the beach and to get this footage of this beautiful empty beach during the day. It's almost impossible if this were not happening. So let's go take this drone out for a fly. So I'm at this side street where this is Hillsborough Beach right here, and there's actually a cop here guarding it, but I talked to him and I asked him if it was okay to fly the drone, and he said he didn't see why not. So hopefully this is not a no-fly zone, because the last one I was at is a no-fly zone, but I remember doing a video here for the DJI and it wasn't a no-fly zone. So let's get this party started. Beach, and I was really hoping that these spots would be not coned off like they are now, or blocked off rather, but I just need somewhere to like pull into, because I just want to fly my drone over the beach, but everything is completely blocked off. So I got asked to leave at the place that I was at in Deerfield, and it sucks because everything is literally blocked off, locked down. There's like nowhere for me to park and get away with this. But you know what, it's okay. Like, I know I was in a residential area, so I figured it might happen, but it was worth a shot, right? Yeah, basically the streets are really empty right now. There is people driving around. It's not like a complete apocalypse, you know, looking scene. Maybe in New York, I'm sure New York looks like that, but right now in Florida, it kind of seems like things are a little bit normal. You notice further away from the beach that there's less traffic. It took me like 10 minutes to get to the beach. Usually it takes me like 15 to 17 minutes just because, you know, there's a lot of lights, traffic. So there is less traffic. There are people outside, not a lot, definitely. But I think it was really interesting being able to drive around and see, and also it gave me a chance to, you know, pop my top down and get some fresh air. It's good for your mental health. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay at home. Please stay safe, guys. I love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.